Hi guys, this is Facts on Facts on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Guys, the executives or the officials of the NDC are showing the people of Ghana where power lies. Guys, they are seeing something. My goodness. Guys, they say you will not know how powerful somebody is until you give them power. Guys, can you imagine a whole MCE or NDC chairman was in a very beautiful white car? After the people of the constituency voted for their government, he decided to block one-way route to the destination of the constituents. Guys, the people of the community around 7 p.m. were heading towards their home. Then the chairman of the MCE was like, yo guys, you wait. It is my time to show you where power lies. Bro, he asked all of them to reverse their cars because as an MCE and chairman of a constituency, he is coming. He championed the lion this year. Zobu, aimba. Guys, watch the video and you appreciate what exactly I'm saying. Before we go into the video, guys, the chairman is of the view that his party is in power.
If they kidnap you, you're on camera, don't bother. If they kidnap you, you're there for you. So who is in this car? Who is in this car? I said MC. What MC? NDC chairman. So he's for all these 12 cars. It's a chief. So all these 12 cars should reverse because MDC chairman they carry. Just to park the car for the road to clear. NDC chairman say 30 cars should reverse before they park their car. It's crazy. This is crazy. A one-way road. A one-way road. Some people are misusing their power. Some people are really misusing their power. Power makes you humble. If you are a boss, serve your people well. Don't instead try to intimidate your people. So, what if someone is sick on this traffic and needs to go to hospital? Because you park your car, they will stay here. Let's see, what is the meaning of this? So, a NDC chairwoman, or how they call it, wants the community to they are confused. See how people are furious. She has blocked the road, expecting people in a one-way road to reverse to the end of the road. And more cars are coming. More cars are coming. More cars. More cars are coming. See, more cars.
So I decided to take a journey into the comment section. Guys, some of the comments are so hilarious. Somebody was like, Eyezu. Somebody said, Yaza. Somebody said, you have not seen anything yet. Is it not NDC? You have not seen anything yet. Then another comment came in and was like, you will see where power lies. Now, chairman already on the AC and cruising the vehicle with taxpayers' money. Guys, all these MCs, the cars they sleep in, the houses they lodge in, it is the taxpayer who pays them. Now, there's this Nigerian who was running a commentary on this particular video. Guys, it got me laughing. It got me laughing out loud. He said, if you are the MC, so what? If you are this is, and I was like, oh my God, go back to your country, go back to your Hey! Power sweet, they say. Power sweet. Is it not the same NDC who called the New Patriotic Party arrogant? Was it not the same NDC officials who were referring to the officials of the New Patriotic Party arrogant? Was President Akufo-Addo's administration not described as arrogant? Bro, come and see the display of authority. Come and see the display of power. Come and see how just a mere MC and constituency chairman is showing the community that elected their government power. They are now weeping. Now, they are so agitated. They are sad. They do not understand how a whole party they brought into power would treat them in that manner. Guys, this thing wouldn't have been painful if it was in the afternoon. It wouldn't have been painful if it was in the morning. This is 7 to 8 p.m. when they are praying to God to get to their destination to rest. MC say, hey, hold on. Reverse your vehicles. About 30 cars should reverse because MCE is coming. MCE wants to park his car. So all the 30 of you should go back because I have blocked the road. This is what we have gotten to. And right about now, the people of Ghana are crying. And President Akufo-Addo is laughing. He's looking good. Did you see Akufo-Addo today? Did you see President Akufo-Addo with his beautiful Rebecca? When he handed over the country to you people, now he's living good. He's relaxed. The skin is toned. Guys, I appreciate President Akufo-Addo's arrival at the final state barrier today. I appreciate President Akufo-Addo. Guys, he was looking so good. The skin is skinning. Bro, I appreciate His Excellency, the former president, Adodi, Adogagai, after calling him arrogant. You see where your life is? Guys, we have a video of a constituency executive who was sacking the national security or the anti-galamsey task force for coming into his constituency without giving him heads up. In this country of ours, yes, this is where power has gotten people. Guys, power, they say, is sweet and it's good when you are exercising it on people who refuse to think, people who refuse to appreciate the goodwill of President Akufo-Addo. You see your life? You're not crying. We don't want to go back. We cannot go back. Hey, shut up for there.